If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, today we are talking about the hero's journey. And part of the hero's journey is going to be the compilation of all the things that they went through. But sometimes the things that they experience simply are repeated. We're talking about transformation, but this is a transformation further on into the story. We did a transformation back several episodes ago between guardians and helpers, I believe. There's a transformation because you expand your, what's the word I'm looking for? The world of influence around you, influencing you, but then your influence on others is expanded. That's a transformation. This transformation, more or anything else, is the mass total of your experience from what you have been through. Really and truly, that's what I seek to communicate in this episode, because this transformation comes just after the part of the hero's story where he is or she is coming through the experience that is the lowest point, the abyss. It's what they've experienced in going through that low, whether it's emotionally or physically or perhaps even spiritually. There's so many lows that we can experience, and so many lows that we then communicate in our hero's story, right? So within photography, whatever that low is, whether it be a picture through portrait or landscape, perhaps you might think, what would a landscape photographer do if you're in some other venue? How would they even show that? To be quite honest, start looking through some of the photographs that were taken of photographers. Let me back up. That's not correct. How many photographs were taken by photographers of Mount St. Helens in 1980? Think about that for a second. The mass destruction of a volcano's eruption on not just the ecology around the volcano, but the quality of air around the explosion. Anyone who didn't evacuate, the destruction of their home, their life, it's very sad what can happen around a volcano. So that would be such a transformation in photograph. The mass destruction. In essence, you're capturing the transformation because of the experience of the abyss. And that's the transformation we're talking about here. This is a transformation because of destruction. The transformation we were talking about before is a transformation because of addition, of benefit, and adding value to, because of other people's experience and adding value to the hero adding value to them. This is a transformation from destruction to a building up of the story toward redemption, which is what we're going to be covering in some respects in the next episode. But this process of transformation is important to focus on, because transformation, since we've already covered it in one aspect, this is another aspect, or the other aspect of transformation. A couple of things came to mind as illustration, but I don't want to take a whole lot of time with them. It's the picture of surviving destruction, which is the purpose of the abyss's birth, death and rebirth, right? So the transformation is surviving the destruction and the new life that emerges after it. That's the transformation that we're seeking to express, and that is one of the beginning points where everybody begins to cheer because the hero has come through it, right? And then yet the further cheering of the return, but we'll get there. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know down below what your photograph journey has shared and taught you, what you can share from your photographic journey about this transformation after such an experience as the abyss. Give us a thumbs up so that others can join us on this transformative journey. Yes, I fitted into the ending here. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, adding you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.